Hello guys, I am ShockVolt and today I'll be showing you guys how to automate your crushing tub in Sky Factory 4. And now you guys know Sky Factory 4 just came out. It's awesome. It's completely different than Sky Factory 3. You got your saplings that create the resources instead of having to sieve and hammer down, and then it's also got something called the crushing tub. And what it does is that you use it to create one of the most important things for me is creating blaze from netherrack. So this is so the way I have it is I have a cow inside this confined space and a fan that's blowing it up, making it giving that jumping animation and crushing it. So this one is already crafted, and let me show you guys. So you just put your whatever you want to crush inside. Then as you can see, the cow's jumping on it, or technically being pushed up and down. And then up there it's the reverse hopper from uppers, and gets collected. We put in 25 netherracks and we got 25 blaze powders. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to build this structure, because there are some hidden things you're unable to see. If you wanna kind of 360 kind of look at it, this is what it looks like. This is Sky Factory 4 flat. That's why it's now the Sky World, but I have built this in my Sky Factory world with prestige, and it works. So this is with prestige, and obviously if it's with prestige, it's without prestige. The only thing I got unlocked in prestige was the first bonsai hoppers, which we're not going to use here, so it doesn't matter. So the first resources you're going to need is a 23 stone bricks for the outer casing. There's just structural glass here just to show you what it looks like. Then you got the trash void. This is what this is going to be used for, is to empty the liquid in your crushing tub, because I believe if it gets filled up, then you can no longer crush stuff. And then the fluid extraction cable. This is what I use to extract things. Then obviously the crushing tab, 2 fans, 2 hoppers, 1 redstone clock, 2 cabinets, and 1 cow seed if you don't have. Before we continue, I'm just gonna set the time today, because you need light. Alright, so how you start with is you're gonna place your stone brick. This is just the first level, and then just like as you can see over there, then I guess 2 blocks deeper, you're gonna first put your redstone clock, and then but before we go on, what we do is it's gonna be on always on. Then we're gonna take the duration to 5, the delay all the way to 10. So this is what it should look like. And obviously you can figure out how to make this by searching it up, redstone clock. And this is what it also looks like. One redstone repeater, 4 iron nuggets, 4 redstone. Then what you're gonna do next is put the fan from Cyclic. Now you can also edit this, so it can go all the way to 32. That's how far it'll push you. But for this, we need 3. And then for control speed, it's good as where it is 5, and then you want it to have it on required redstones and on push, because it can also pull, which is pretty cool. I don't think they had this on Sky Factory 3, so I really like this. This is also a very early game kind of thing. It's really simple. It's just, again, one redstone repeater, 4 iron ingots, and stone. It's much more simpler than the mob grinding fan that was in Sky Factory 3. And if you have prestige, you'll notice that it's locked. That one's locked. So this is a lot better. Then next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna break this block. You're gonna put your trash can. This trash void, it can empty out items and liquid. And then you're gonna put the crushing tub on top of this. And one thing really cool about with these fans is that the air blows through this, which is really convenient for us. And I'm pretty sure you guys know what a crushing tub looks like. After then, you're gonna put your fluid extraction cable against this. You want the white part to whatever it's pulling out things from, so it would be from the crushing tub. And then you can also edit this, but you want it on max, always on. And then you want this pointing at the trash, which you should automatically do. And then you want your hopper to go into this and a cabinet. So this is also new in Sky Factory 4. It's a cabinet. Door is in front or on the side rather than a regular chest, and you can also put stuff in front of it and a kind of like half slab stuff, and you can still open it. Unlike a chest, if you put something on top, you can't really open it. But then again, I guess if you put a half slab, you can open it. So anyways, like I said, I'm also kind of new to this. Then you're gonna take your second fan and you're gonna put it on the other side facing this way, and you're gonna put it just to one, and this fan will be always on and on push. Oh, sorry, it's gonna be on pull actually. My bad, guys. It's gonna be on pull. And one, this is what it should look like, always on. The reason for that is because sometimes the items get spit out and it kind of gets stuck on this. As you can see, the hitbox is it's smaller than a regular box, so it gets stuck underneath this, underneath this stone brick. So what this fan is, as you can see, like the outline, it's exactly the same as the stone block. It will pull it to itself, and it making it able to go up into that reverse hopper. So with your rest of your stone bricks, you're gonna completely encase it like this. Put one here, and then you're gonna put your reverse hopper. And the reason why I just said 2 reverse hopper instead of 2 regular hoppers instead of 1 hopper and 1 reverse hopper, which is what you really need, but because you can easily change a hopper into a reverse just by putting in the crafting box, and that's how you make it. So here's it's actually called the upper, so it works the same as the upside down hopper. Then you're gonna put another cabin right here, and then the upper facing towards it. However, and that's how you make the structure. However, as you can see, guys, we're not done. So if you have a cow seed, you can use this to uh, grow your cow, or if you already have a cow, what you can do is technically break this block, then go to your existing cow. This is a regular cow, and shift and right click, which I should be able to grab it. That's alright. That's kind of weird. I think it might be because maybe this way. Oh, there we go. So apparently this takes your shield spot. I think that's why I couldn't get it, because I had a wrench in my shield spot in my left hand. So you shift right click, and then you can let go of shift, walk around. You can carry it, which is really cool, and then put it inside, and it's stuck there. Then close it up. Pretty sure you can technically have this open. I don't think this cow can really escape, but just in case, and you're done. And let's test it out. So in your lower, you put this, and then you get your blaze powder or whatever you wanna crush, like all these items. So, and however, this will only output the items that come out of crushing, but it won't output the liquid. However, you can, if that's what you need, you can change this up. This is just simple and only basic, only to get the items from a crushing tub. I hope this helps you guys. Hope this is what you guys were looking for. If it did, press a like. You don't have to subscribe, because I don't think I'm gonna. This is, like I said, this is my first video, but if you want to, you can subscribe. If you don't understand something, or you found something else, write a comment in. Like I said, this is my first video. If you guys have any criticism that will help me make better videos, write in the comment. I'll try to respond if you have any questions. And have a good day. Have fun with Sky Factory 4.